Grade 6 girls, I am actually revising with you your quiz portion first, and then we'll go to the lesson. So 10 minutes, we'll just revise, and rest we will do new lesson, okay? So here, are you all listening? Grade 6 girls.
Yes.
Turn on your cameras. Everyone, please turn on your cameras. Haifa, this page, Haifa, please read it carefully. This is like a scoring page for you all, a comparison of one number to another number by division. Like example, when you compare 210, when you compare two numbers, to compare by division, that it's 2 over 3 or 2 is to 3. You remember 2 to 3? You remember these words? You remember or no, girls?
Yeah.
These all are called as ratio. Then we have same comparison. If the word same comparison, it is called as equivalent ratios. If they are ratios, you say equivalent ratios. If they are fraction with same amount or part, it's called as equivalent fractions. You want to come your class? Thank you so much. Okay, a ratio that compare quantities with different units is a rate. What is it called?
Right.
The rate. Okay, now what does this mean? Like example, there is a ratio, 2 red balls with 3 or 2 boxes with 3 reals. So 4 boxes. What are you doing? You're comparing the quantities with different units. You're not doing it with the same unit. You are doing it with a different unit. So this is called rate. What is this called? Rate. Okay.
Right.
This is known as rate. What is the unit rate when you compare to one? Girls, 1 unit. Whenever I compare anything to 1 unit, like 2 boxes, 8 reals, 1 box, how much? Or 2 hours, 3 miles, 4 hours, how many miles? So this comparing with 1, not with 4, sorry, with 1. If I compare with 1, it is called as 1 unit. And of course, when I say 2,3, the first number is the X and the next one number is the Y coordinate. This is called ordered pair. Okay. Now is it clear, Laman?
Wait, so rate is
Yeah.
what is the
Rate
difference
is when you
in
compare
rate and
with
unit rate?
different units. With 1 unit, it's unit rate. Okay.
No, I miss. Can you?
For my son.
Yes, please clear it out. What is your doubt?
An example between rate and unit rate.
Okay, like rate and unit rate. With rate, I can know any number, like 2 chocolates, it's 8 reals. 3 chocolate, how much? But when I want to know the quantity for one piece, or 1 mile, or 1 hour, that time it is called as unit rate. The fill in the blank must have this word unit. 1 unit, 1 unit. You see here 1 unit? It must have written 1 unit. That time you will put the answer as unit rate. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This was page 210. Next we have chapter 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. Give me a moment, girls, please.
Lead us to the
Okay. Let us go 4.1. It's very simple. I really don't know how to make your test because it's such a simple test. In fact, I feel grade 6 is much easier than grade 5 nowadays. It's very simple, girls. How do you model ratios? Now, everyone, see what mistakes to avoid, please. If in the quiz they ask you red to yellow, so first you will count red and then yellow. If they ask yellow to red, then you will count yellow and red. Did you get this? Again, because it's a common mistake, I will see tomorrow.
Miss, you're not sharing the screen.
Haifa? Yes, I know that.
Miss, you're not sharing.
Okay, yes, yes. Haifa? Haifa? Allah, why these girls, they don't answer? I'm here to explain you, to make you score better. Haifa? Tina? Tina's not. Anyways, Jana? Jana?
Yeah.
If the same question, number 2, I ask red to yellow, so what will be your answer? Red counters to yellow counters.
53.
No. First, they ask red to, like here they ask yellow to red. But the same color they will give you and they will ask you red to yellow. So what are you going to write? 3:5, okay? Like example, leave about the page. I'm generally asking you and reviewing you. Now, general example, Thala. If I ask circle to square, what is it, circle to square?
Circle to square, you're gonna count the square, then the circle.
Why?
Wait, circle to square, circle, then the square.
Yes,
Sorry.
don't think that square is given first. So what is given in the question? Circle to square means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is to 1. Did you get it?
Yes, got it. Miss, I studied for the exam.
Alhamdulillah. Be very careful. Don't get confused between, see what is given in the question. Don't be in a hurry, okay? Understood, my girls?
Yes.
Now, of course, if I give you 5 to 2, you're not going to write 2/5. You are going to write 5/2. If I give 3 to 10, you're going to write 3/10, not 10/3. Okay? 8 to 16 is 8/16, not 16/8. Like if I give this question, Marlene saves $15 per week. Complete the table to find the rates that give the amount saved in 4 weeks. Okay, and I give this table. Will you be able to write? If 2 is 30, so how much is 1? Will you be able to write? You will divide 30/2, or you'll multiply 2 times 15, yes? Yes, my dear. If I give you this table, my dear girls, okay?
Okay.
And then I ask you, so can't you do this? That 3 times 6 is 18, so 2 times 6 is 12, and 1 times 6 is 6. So unknown value means I will leave this and I'll put a question mark. So you can know that I have to put here 12. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Now see, if I give you this page is not there. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, or else I would have given this. This is very easy. Anyways, I can give anything I like. If I say girls, any other name, they have 2 green and 5 purple. And you need to write the ratio compared to purple reusable bag to the number of reusable shopping bags. Purple is 5 and reusable is 2. So 5:2, 5:7, or 5:7. Why 7? Yeah, total. You have to do the total. Khalas, leave this, girls. Leave it. Now come to question number. Lesson
Miss,
number
so
3.
do we do that or
No
We just do the
need. No, that page is not included. Leave it. Come here to share and show, girls. If I tell you write or choose equivalent ratio to 4 or 5, you know that you'll multiply with 2 or 3, right? You remember this? Haifa did this with me, I remember. Haifa, are you there? You'll just multiply with 2, with 3. Remember, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15. Do you remember these girls or no?
Yeah, I remember.
Follows. So this was about the revision. Let us start our class. Girls, turn to lesson number 3. 5.3. Everyone, turn to page 281. Girls, turn to page 281.
Miss, are we going to do the homework page together?
Yes, dear.
Because you didn't say we needed to do the homework page yesterday on the
Because
weekly
maybe
plan.
because you had a quiz today, or I don't know why. That's why. If you want, you can do it, okay? That will help you out.
Okay. Miss, what do we do? The homework or what?
Now turn to page 281.
Okay.
Everyone, please turn to 281. Page 281.
दोस्तों मोबाइल की टॉर्च से आप अपने दीवार पर कोई भी वीडियो बिल्कुल आसानी से देख सकते हैं।
Did you all turn to page 281? Write today's date there. Girls, please write today's date.
Okay.
Miss, could I go to the bathroom?
Yes. Write 21, 12, and 21. During the 2008-2009 season of the National Basketball Association, the Phoenix Suns won about 11/20 of this game. The Miami Heat won about 0.524 of the games. Which team was more successful during the season? Now here, girls, we have to change the fraction or the decimal as a percentage. How are we going to do that? Look at it very carefully. Why am I multiplying the denominator with 5? Girls, why do I multiply the denominator with 5? And the numerator? Because for me to make everything very easy, I need to make my denominator 100. Now, if I have your denominator 100 and I multiply 11 times 5, I get 55. So you compare the percent means you need to make the denominator 100. Your first thing is that make denominator 100. It's not that easy, girls. You must know how to make the denominator 100. Then the same number you will multiply in the numerator. And what is 55 or 100? It is 55%. I get it easily because you know that when you divide with 100, you get percentage. Again, girls, like example, you have 20 over 10. How will you make this 100? Dana, how will you make this 100? The
We-
denominator.
Times it by 100?
Yes, times, see, this is time, this is over 10. But I
Times
want
two?
everything in 100.
No,
If you multiply
times 10.
times what?
10.
Very good.
10.
So same thing you will multiply here to make it same. So you get 200 and over 100. Now, when you see 100, can you write 200%? Instead of 100, can you write 200%? This is how we are doing in this lesson. Step by step, you will learn, girls. Those who are not getting it today, I will surely explain again on Thursday. Okay? There is no homework out of this because you have your, what do you call, as test tomorrow,
Exam.
quiz tomorrow.
Quiz.
Yes. So that's why just write it down. And remember one thing, this lesson I'm making the denominator. What do I make? 100.
Denominator. 100, yeah.
Now here I will multiply by 100. Now here if I want to remove the decimal, I will multiply by 100. To write as a person, I need to multiply with 100. To write as a decimal, I need to multiply with 100. So it moves 2 places and it becomes 52.4. That is 52.4%. Now girls, listen to me here. Any number they give you, 3.2, and they ask you the percentage. What will you do? You will multiply by? What will you do, girls? Any decimal. Listen to me carefully.
The number,
Any decimal they give you. Any decimal. And they ask you what is the percentage, you will multiply by 100. When you multiply by 100, it moves to the right. And you have 5250%, like that. Did you get it? Understood? Again, I repeat.
Miss, from where did you get the 4 and how did you get the
What you
52?
multiply with it, Mr. The denominator, what
Stella.
you multiply with it, you multiply with the numerator, and then you plus them together after
Don't
multiplying.
plus them. Multiply together and you get an answer, and that is the percentage. The next part is the decimal. Any decimal tala I give you, 27.54. If you, to know
Miss,
the
do we just
percentage.
take the numerator?
What?
Do we just take the numerator?
Where? Here?
Here, because
In the
one is
decimal?
multiplied-
The decimal?
No, when you put the percent thing. When the answer, when
You
you
multiply 5 to both the denominator and the numerator. My main intention is to make the denominator 100 so that I easily get the percentage.
Oh, okay.
Miss, but how do you get 52 and 4?
My dear, what did I tell you? You have, the question is, they want to know the 0.524 as a percent. What did I say you to multiply by? 100. Whenever you multiply by 100, how many zeros are there in 100?
2.
2 places. So you will move 2 places, but not to the left, to the right. 1, 2. So it becomes 52.4. This is how you, when you multiply the decimal, it happens. Did you get it? Dana, when you multiply
Yes,
by 100 to need the percentage. And when you multiply, the decimal point goes to the right side, not to the left side. Okay?
I misunderstood.
Sorry. Did you all finish writing, girls? Did you all finish writing?
Miss, I didn't really get it.
Yes, just wait for the next question here.
Miss,
Hmm.
Miss, what did you write here?
phonic sums.
Okay.
Phonic sums. Phonic sons, I think so. S-U-N-S or. Yes, phonic sons it is. S-U-N-S. Phonic sons. Are you all done, girls?
Yes.
May I go to next page? We just have 5 minutes.
Miss, 1 second. I didn't see that you wrote down.
Phonic sons. P-H-O-E-N-I-X S-U-N-S.
Can I do like one of these questions?
Inshallah, yeah, Feroz, because we just have 5 minutes and I need to go with next page. After that, when we are doing
Miss, I was
share,
almost done.
when we are doing share and show and on your own, I will definitely do with you. Okay, but today just go to this page. Now see, girls, here. What did I say you? They say as a fraction. When as a fraction you need to write, you know that 0.7 is 7 over 10. How will you make this 10 as 100? Feroz, how will you make 10 as 100?
Yes.
By multiplying
That's
with what?
100.
10, I want to make 100.
Yeah,
So I can
10.
multiply with?
Mhm.
Multiply with?
10.
Yes.
10.
So I got 70 over 100. That is nothing but 70%. It's called as 70%. Cut this under. I don't know why it's
Okay.
Now, so 0.7 can be written as 7 over 10 as a fraction and 70%. And as a percent, it is the ratio of 70 to 100. Just fill up these. Let me know if you're done.
Yes, we're done.
Everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. Feroz?
Yes.
Put cross mark to B, girls. We are not doing B. Put cross mark to B. And here, Feroz.
Okay.
Feroz, how will I make 100 to 25?
So 3.
How do I make, 25 times what gives you 100?
Miss, the class is done.
25.
We have 2 more minutes, my dear. 4 gives 100. So
4.
same thing if I
Okay.
make it. Now you'll say, teacher, how do I know? You can divide and check. When will you get 100? So 25
Oh.
times 4 is 100. Like that, if you can divide and check. Now this, how do you make
Okay.
denominator 100, yeah, Feroz? How do you make denominator
Wait,
100?
from where did you get the 4? Did you divide the 25?
Yes, I divided with 100, so I got 4. Even if you don't divide, you can check. You can multiply with 3, you can multiply with 4. So you get 100. 10, what will you multiply to get 100?
10.
Very good. So same thing, you're multiplying in the?
The denominator.
So numerator, what do you get?
Numerator.
3 times 10, what do you get? 30.
3
And then
times
the
10
denominator
is
I get?
30.
So can you write the percentage?
100. What?
How much is the percentage?
So it's 30.
30%.
30.
Okay.
Miss, why not the 100? Because
Percent
the
becomes
number
100. Actually,
is
for percent means 100, over 100.
Oh, okay.
And they want you to write as a percent, right? That's why 12 over 100 means 12%.
Yes, then how do you do
Yes, like all of
the
it
decimal?
has to be 100.
See, this question, how will you make it? You will multiply, because I told you when they ask you percentage, okay, this is a decimal. They want us to write as a percentage. You will multiply here with 100. Because decimal to percent, always multiply with 100. I'll continue day after tomorrow because tomorrow is the quiz. Have a great day, girls. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.